What's going on, guys? Oh, he's very excited. Digby the dog review. We are back. What's up, guys? Thanks for the people watching. Thumbs up to everybody. Dig, sit, say. Look at him. He actually listened this time. Good job. All right. Anyways, we are back. Quick video before he goes crazy. We got another toy now. This one is from the dollar store. Yes, we done toys that are better quality, but we wanted to see if the dollar videos will actually last more than the regular. Look, he's going crazy. More than the more expensive toys that we had before. So this one is from the dollar store, Dollar Tree actually. It's called Dog Toy something from Greenbrier Kennel Club. All right. So again, it's just a regular, cloth toy with the tail, and I think he's enjoying that. So let's give it to the digs and see if he breaks it, or if it at least passes the 10-minute mark. All right, as you guys know from the previous video, he's going crazy. From the previous videos, we'll only record up to 10 minutes and stop recording then. And after that, record when he actually breaks it and let you know how long it took. All right, Mr. Diggs, sit down. Sit. There he is. Sit down. Right. There you go. And he got the toy. Let's see what he does with it. Let me adjust this thing real quick here, guys. I'm surprised it's still holding up, guys. 5 minutes in, and the toy, I don't know. It seems like it might hold, might not. Place your bet, people. Place your bets. Well, guys, there goes the tail, I think. Let's see. Yep, there goes the toy, guys. There goes the toy. 6 minutes in. Oh, man, he broke it. 6 minutes in. Oh, there he is. He's taking out the guts. Oh, man, no, Digby, don't take out the guts. Don't take... Oh, man, guys, he took out the guts. Oh, he took out the guts of the toy. Oh, here it is. The sticky part, the squeaky part. There's the squeaky part. Oh, he's going nuts with the toy. So as you can see, guys, here's the squeaky part, the guts, the tail. Here goes the tail, and there goes the toy. That's it. Oh man, he's gutting it, man. He's gutting it. Well, he's with his giant beak. He's just. Oh man, look at him. Jesus, he's eating the tail. Don't eat the tail, Diggs. Don't eat the damn tail. Alright, guys. Well, while he's entertained with the tail, I wanted to show you real quick. Here's the toy, and it's done. There, he's having fun with it. Alright, guys. So this toy failed miserably. I figured it was gonna happen. It's a $1 toy, but it lasted about 6-7 minutes. You know, whole $1's worth of excitement. So again, this is the toy we got. It is the Greenbrier Kennel Club. They have a lot of different one of these. In fact, I wanted to show you something real quick. Here's another one. Oh, he wants to grab it. He literally just completely gutted this one too. I guess my wife bought him this a while back. I mean, still intact, but as you could see, there's nothing left because he took all the foamy part inside. Right? Right. He doesn't like people touching his stuff. Anyways, guys, toy failed miserably, so here's the info. If you like this video, guys, comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you very much for everything you guys have done, all the views. And again, if you're enjoying a lot of our videos, just be nice if you give us a couple thumbs up. Alright, guys, we'll be back later with another video. Hopefully I could, it's getting a little expensive here getting some of these toys, but we're trying to find something that he will actually not break within within 24 hours. Alright, guys, talk to you guys later. Digby the dog review.